Unit 6, The Old House. Listening and Speaking. There's, There Are, by Madam Hazwani. Hi, Assalamualaikum. We have learned parts of house from the previous lesson. Let's recall the words. Bathroom, bilik mandi. Bedroom, bilik tidur. Living room, ruang tamu. Hall, ruangan. Dining room, ruang makan. Kitchen, dapur. Stairs, tangga. Cellar, bilik bawah tanah. As for today's lesson, let's focus on what's in. There's, there are.
What's in the bedroom? What's in the bathroom? What's in the kitchen? Let's find out. What's in the living room? What's in the dining room? What's in the cellar? Let's find out.
This is the song from the previous lesson. Focus on this question. What's in? What's in? Apa di dalam?
What's in the dining room?
Apa di dalam ruang makan?
There's a monster.
Ada seekor raksasa.
There are 4 cats.
Ada 4 ekor kucing.
What's in the living room?
Apa di dalam ruang tamu?
There's a monster.
Ada seekor raksasa.
There's a cat.
Ada seekor kucing.
What's in the living room?
Apa di dalam ruang tamu?
There are 3 monsters.
Ada 3 ekor raksasa.
There's a cat.
Ada seekor kucing.
What's in the dining room?
Apa di dalam ruang makan?
There are 4 monsters.
Ada 4 ekor raksasa.
There are 2 cats.
Ada 2 ekor kucing. What's in the dining room? Apa di dalam ruang makan? What's in? We use what when we want to get the information about something. Kita menggunakan soalan what apabila ingin mendapatkan maklumat mengenai sesuatu. There's a cat. Ada seekor kucing. There are 2 monsters. Ada 2 ekor raksasa. When the object is one, we use there's. Apabila objek bilangan 1, kita gunakan there's. When the object is more than one, we use there are. Apabila objek lebih dari 1, kita gunakan there are. Practice time! Now join me to practice using there's, there are to get better understanding. What's in the kitchen? Apa di dalam dapur? Look at the picture. The picture shows one cat. There's a cat. There are a cat. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, the answer is there's a cat. What's in the bedroom? Apa di dalam bilik tidur? What do you see? I see 2 cats. There's 2 cats. There are 2 cats. Can you choose the correct answer? Good job! The answer is there are 2 cats. What's in the dining room? Apa di dalam ruang makan? Count the rats. 1, 2, 3. 3 rats. There's 3 rats. There are 3 rats. The answer is there are 3 rats. What's in the cellar? Apa di dalam bilik bawah tanah? I see a rat. There's a rat. There are a rat. Choose your answer. There's a rat. What's in the bathroom? Apa di dalam bilik mandi? The picture shows one monster. There's a monster. There are a monster. What is the correct answer? Yes, there's a monster. This is the last question. What's in the hall? Apa di dalam ruangan? Can you count the monster? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 monsters. There's 4 monsters. There are 4 monsters. The answer is, of course, there are 4 monsters. It's the end of the lesson today. We have learned what's in, there's, there are. I hope you've got the idea of how to use them in your daily conversation. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.